Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video covers the wiring for the 7 Nano H16. The video is divided into three main sections. What materials will be used for the wiring? How to wire them? How to present the results? What materials will be used for the wiring? The materials used include 7 Nano Power Module, Skydroid H16S. Bus plus power cable. TELEM1 cable. The main equipment consists of Skydroid H16, QAV 7 Nano, QAV NE03 Pro 450 frame. Tata battery. How to wire them? First, connect the S.Bus plus power port of the Skydroid H16 to the RCIN port of the 7 Nano. This cable is provided with the H16 and uses a GH 1.25 4-pin connector for the H16 and a DuPont 3-pin connector for the 7 Nano. Next, connect the data transmission port of the Skydroid H16 to the TELEM1 port of the 7 Nano. This cable is also provided, using a GH 1.25 3-pin connector for the Skydroid H16 and a GH 1.25 6-pin connector for the 7 Nano. Then, connect the power module to the distribution board and then to the power port of the 7 Nano. Using the 450 frame as an example, follow an X layout to connect the ESC signal wires in order to the PWM ports on the 7 Nano. Next, connect the NE03 Pro cable to the CAN1 port of the 7 Nano and the power cable from the H16 receiver to the distribution board. Finally, connect the battery to the distribution board to power all components. Open your computer and connect the flight controller via USB. How to present the results. After wiring is complete, open the MP ground station on your computer to connect to the flight controller. Go to the basic settings and click on Remote Control Calibration to check if the Skydroid H16 is outputting normally. Then set the parameters for the NE03 Pro to ensure a proper GPS function. Next, open QGC ground station. Click on the top left to open application settings, and then click on communication links. If this is your first time, you will need to click Add. We have already set this up in advance. If you select URT1 for the receiver connection, set the port to 13,551. If you select UART0, set the port to 14551. Choose UDP as the type, as UDP transmission is more stable than TCP. Since we connected the receiver to the UART0 port, we will select UART0 for the connection. Returning to the main page, you will see that the H16 is connected to QGC and can also unlock the aircraft normally. Testing is complete. Thank you for watching. To learn more, please stay tuned to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.